to my channel. You are seeing series of Arduino tutorial. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. This is the fourth tutorial. In this video, we are going to see traffic light simulation and also the concept of variable. So let's go. So whenever you open Arduino IDE, like this it will be showing you, as I have said in the previous videos. So first variable int. So in traffic light we have three LEDs, red, yellow and so I'm using red equal to which pin. I'm going to use 13 pin and like that. Int hello. Hello, I'm going to use pin number 12. Int green equal to 11. So this is the variable we are using. Int, sorry, what is variable? Variable is the container to hold the value. Here we are using the word int. You may be having a question why it is used and what is it. Int meaning its full form is integer, which means number. So this variable is holding the value which is a number. So that's the meaning of int. And so let's go. So let's go to the void setup. So pin mode equal to what pin am I going to use? 13 pin. It is in the which container, meaning which variable, red. So type RD red. And how am I going to use? Output or input? Output. So next pin mode. Now 12 and it is in which variable? Yellow. So after that, how am I going to use output? Next pin mode. Now I'm going to use 13 pin. It is in which variable or container? Green. So green. How am I going to use as output? Output. Now void loop. So void loop. In void loop we are going to use digital, right? Digital right, red, and how am I going to use? High or low? High. Digital right. Now yellow. So and how am I going to use as low? Because in the traffic lights, when the first LED, which is the red, when it's blinking, the remaining two LEDs will be off. So that digital right. Now the green variable, the variable named green, we are going to use now green, and now it is no. Next delay we are going to use, because after the red LED is blinking, it will be blinking for a few seconds. In delay I'm going to use 2 seconds, which is 2000 millisecond. Digital write. At the digital write, red, blue. Next, digital write, yellow, digital write, yellow, high. Next, digital write, green. So green, now the green will be low. Next, again a delay. Delay 2000 milliseconds. Next, digital write, red, yellow, digital write, yellow, blue, and digital write, green. That high. In some of the countries, we are using the traffic light will be programmed like this, or in some countries they'll be using like this. In example, India, first the red LED will be blinking, then yellow, that green. That green will be blinking for a few seconds, like on off, like few seconds. So like that I'm going to be doing. Delay now 250 milliseconds. After that, digital write, green, low, delay, 250 milliseconds. After that, digital write, green, digital write, green. So let's compile it as number 4, compiling, and here the it is showing that expected status, expected the curly close bracket. So now again we have to compile. So let's upload it.
There are three LEDs, red, yellow and green. Each LED is connected to 220 ohms resistor. You may be having a doubt why should we use 220 ohms resistor, because the previous video I have said about Ohm's law. So if you are not seen this, please do see that. I have given the link in the description. The red LED is connected to 13 pin, yellow LED is connected to 12 pin number 12, green LED is connected to pin number 11, and the yellow wire, it is ground. So guys, see you guys in the next video. Oh, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon and below. I have given the previous videos link in the description below. Bye.